Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Glory, Glory Man United on piano, step by step. We'll start by finding the main melody's opening notes, typically in the key of C major. Focus on your right hand to get the tune down, using notes like C, G, and E. This foundational step is crucial for building the rest of the song. Take your time to ensure accuracy and a smooth sound. Now, let's bring in your left hand to add depth with simple chords. For the verse, you'll primarily use C major, G major, and F major chords. Practice playing the right hand melody and left hand chords together slowly. Focus on smooth transitions between chords and keeping a consistent rhythm. This coordination is key to making the song sound full and complete. Next, we'll tackle the powerful chorus section, which is the heart of the song. The melody here is slightly more intricate but very rewarding. Experiment with dynamics, playing louder during the glory, glory parts and softer elsewhere to add expression. Repetition is your friend here. Practice the chorus until it feels natural and flows effortlessly from your fingers. Finally, it's time to combine all the sections you've learned into the complete song. Start slowly, ensuring each transition is smooth and accurate. A metronome can be incredibly helpful for maintaining consistent timing and improving your rhythm. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep playing. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals. Happy playing!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.